Welcome to the not-so-distant future, where our robot overlords, AI friends, are not just a sci-fi fantasy, but a reality. Let's break down this whole AI versus real intelligence thing in a way that's as easy to digest as your grandma's apple pie. What's the big deal with AI? Imagine having a buddy who never sleeps, eats, or takes bathroom breaks, and can calculate your taxes in seconds. That's AI for you. It's like the superhero sidekick of the digital world. But instead of capes, they have algorithms. Real intelligence. The OG smarty pants. Now, real intelligence is what we humans have. Well, most of us. It's not just about solving math problems. It's about understanding sarcasm, appreciating a sunset, and sometimes making terrible decisions for the sake of a good story. AI party tricks. AI has been showing off lately, doing things like writing essays, diagnosing diseases, and even making art. It's like that one friend who's good at everything and makes you wonder, what can't they do? Spoiler, they still can't taste grandma's apple pie. The human touch. While AI is busy crunching numbers, humans bring something to the table that AI can't replicate yet. Emotions, ethics, and the ability to laugh at a good joke. We're the heart and soul behind the machines. The crystal ball says, looking ahead, AI will be everywhere, from your fridge suggesting recipes to your car deciding the best route to avoid traffic. It's going to be convenient, but let's hope it doesn't start giving relationship advice. Winners, the adapters. The winners in this techie tale will be those who embrace AI like a new dance move. They will use it to boost their business, make smarter decisions, and maybe even find more time to enjoy that apple pie. Losers, the resistors. The not-so-lucky ones will be those who treat AI like a scary movie, covering their eyes and hoping it goes away. They might find themselves outpaced by AI-savvy competitors, or replaced by robots who don't need coffee breaks. Remember computers? There are still many seniors struggling today because they rejected the PC when it was first released not that many years ago. The takeaway: AI is like the new kid on the block. It's exciting, full of potential, and a little bit intimidating. But remember, it's not about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans. Together, we can create a future that's as sweet as pie, with a side of high-tech whipped cream. So there you have it, a peek into the future of AI and real intelligence. Keep your wits sharp, your humor sharper, and let's make sure we're all winners in this game of tech evolution. Stay safe, stay secure. AI is here, that's for sure. Hope you're ready to join this new collaboration. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.